Today, guys, I'm going to show you how to load a gun. So first, what you want to do is make sure this red part right here is just out. So you want to press it and held on red part's there. And then there should be a little square that puts up. Okay? And then you're going to pull this little lever all the way back. So I'm going to show you. That's a struggle. You guys saw my nose, so I don't really care. Because you guys didn't see my face. But like I said, I'm going to show you like ocean with this. Push it dick down. Did you guys see my face? No, you just saw my mouth, my ear. You saw my face telling you guys. I'm done, bro.